field log. Personal. Not for broadcast. Just keeping a record.
Good evening. We begin tonight with continuing developments across multiple regions as tensions remain high amid ongoing international conflicts. Officials maintain that while the situation remains fluid, there is no immediate cause for local public concern.
We're live in 5, 4.
This is Alara Blackstone reporting from Westbrook Middle School. Earlier today, school officials reported a missing student under what they describe as unclear circumstances. Attendance records confirmed the student was present this morning. By midday, he was not.
He didn't leave. I would have seen him. He was right there. And then he just wasn't.
Authorities have not indicated any evidence of abduction. Search efforts are ongoing.
Thank you, Alara. In other news, several cruise lines have reported minor delays this week due to navigational recalibrations. Industry representatives assure passengers that safety protocols remain fully in place.
Reading's off again. It's like something's...
And finally tonight, astronomers have noted minor inconsistencies in upper atmosphere readings. Experts emphasize that such fluctuations are not uncommon. Interference with satellite communication and radio signals may be intermittent. That's all for now. Thank you for joining us.
We've reported it as a missing persons case. That's the language. That's what fits. But that's not what it felt like. There's a difference between someone being taken and someone just not being there anymore. They found someone else today.